Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Maggi mushroom soup. First, ensure you have 1 packet of Maggi mushroom soup mix, 500 milliliters of water or milk, and a saucepan ready. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Having everything at hand makes the experience enjoyable and efficient, leading to a delicious result in just a few minutes. Now, let's get to mixing. Carefully empty the entire contents of the Maggi mushroom soup packet into your saucepan. Next, slowly pour in 500 milliliters of cold water or milk, whisking constantly. This continuous whisking is crucial to achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Once well combined, place the saucepan on your stove over medium heat. As the mixture heats, bring it to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent it from sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and allow the soup to simmer for approximately 3 minutes. During this time, you'll notice the soup beginning to thicken, developing that rich, creamy texture we all love. This short simmer is key for flavor development. Your delicious Maggi mushroom soup is now ready to serve. Carefully pour the hot soup into your favorite bowls. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread or some crunchy croutons. Enjoy this warm, comforting meal, perfect for any time you crave a quick and satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.